Kinoy ka school deficit keberan hopo kalama jangka kasih jantia deficit school teachers association kilalit bani kendo iu menteri ketenar puli putih ubala kemen remboi bani merjing mud halor kijing jongki. Habai keren baru ba Boswell pala presiden ka KJD STA beto ba kadi ke kendo layo bani keren halor ka pay structure ke bertemai. Kaba menteri beto ba ke sarkar ketemu banwan ra ekor komsio kaba temai ne ka structured grant and aid kaman wara jingsingan kino hikai. Ulo ang bagani ka dairu na marwag sarkar India kan ubeng ya ka grant na kino hikai SSA hakalay po itrek uleber arajar at India. Kajin tumu kalong bandan ko begur komsio ya kino hikai ad hoc fourth teacher kino hikai Hindi bat kibai. Lakimi linti ban pentrai kamer komsio thamai na dok strek uyayong kasenam arajar at punrio. Hadian balala benuan ra ya ka hakalay po itrek uno opera. Ya ka mementa kilong ba kan nempat kentup ya gino hikai school deficit. Halor ke DA kino hikai ki kwa e kejing pensya halor kejing yo tang 9% ke DA. Kad ba kinong tri sarkar pat kila kiyo siya kasan 10%. Menteri ulong bag sarkar kedan kampor ban dunia nama ka kentup ru ya ki area. Halor ka CPF bagi jing tahu ke board of trustees. Ya ka bala penbenah ka sautrik unai biang arajar arpusan. Mencinai ke plan kumno ban peniat ya ka halor ka Maxims portal. Kino hikai ki kwa ban pesangi asya kejing pentreka meka Maxims namar ki babun kejing bakla. Menteri ulong baga digelenti beniat cekmat beberapa aruk kejing pensyai syau commissioner but secretary juga tenak puli putih baga kejing penkelai ke komprekan jangan Maxims kamdai pat ban penslam ya ketulap kino hikai.
Bat ki issues ki bang keren mentan bat I kidai na pedeng jong ki babun ki issue ngijit sauteli kita ki ba ngikwa ban pensngau hi ngikwa ban kerpat hai lengba jong I ya ka Department of Education ya ka government hi berok kawai ban le ai kenam ban resolve ye ki ni ki issues ka penengkong kadai kani ka clarity ha ka be dai bat ka hakabede berkutu kejimi kubor lingba isar hiru ba kandon no tang arteli ki kategori jongki teachers tang arteli ki kategori kebaar kadai kejing pen slam bar kejing bom siu shu ye ki DA ke balong ki ba ngidai hok ban yo kum ki deficit teachers kabalai kadai ka jing pen trekam no ye kene ka CPF scheme centralized provident fund scheme mat ka basaw ka kendram ka bami na kene ka Maxims portal online submission of fund requirement kabala ban wat ban kta ya ka jing yo tulop jengi ki nong hikai deficit ru te ha ke bedai bat ka kani ka jing phia ye ki nong hikai hagi arteli ki kenhun categorization of teachers isa ila ong ba considered klempem considering yakibai ki kenhun nang hikairu kum ki SSA kum tater consider baik kene ka new pay structure consider baik kene ka new pay structure tangba kumbalong menta yangi ki deficit teachers kanam kta yangi ki deficit teachers ha kene ka discussion na ka menta kene ka categorization jong ki nang hikai we are out of the picture ngi ki deficit teachers kam kta but kalaban don hadian kata kadai ka pen don ni tai ching kho nyu hangiru ka e ka ban salong ka e ka ban sajen rei kumbalong menta kam kta yangi kene ka categorization ha ka bi dai bat ka jingbam siu shu sarkar ya ka DA jangi kumban supentip ya pi ba 90% kadai ka bang yo hadu menta kata ka 90% kadai ka ban nadu mencem senam January arjar arfusau but what ke area jong kene ka 90% jong kitu ki khniat banai ke basya khmat ngimpat yo hadu menta but ngila dai ban yo ko 46 nadu mencem senam hi 49 sedang mentau senam menta ki nong tre sarkar kumbang isya yo lang rekat bat ki kila yo 51% hendai ngimpat yo te kadai ke ba ngila pensengau hi minister kadai kajing lebeng kajing daga ketin pareng ngila banong ka dai ka discrimination persya ingi kino hikai but ngila ong i ba in le ai te ha ke be dai bat kini gadi khat sau tarik in shong jingelang bat but Department of Education, but the Commissioner and Secretary of Education Department, but hantu ngin setip in sepentip syangi, baka ke issue ke penlong yangi kinong hikai deficit, banem yo ya kene ke die ke bangide ban yo.
I have explained to them that it is an endeavor of the government that the teachers should have uh, a sense of security. The teachers should have, because as of now, they don't know next year how much salary we will get. So we want to have the structured pay or structured grant in aid system where the teachers should have the sense of security. Because as you know, that especially SSA teachers, by 31st March 2026, it is the government of India will withdraw the grant. So where our teachers will go. So that's why our Honorable Chief Minister have promised that we will do the necessary thing which need to be done. And for all the ad hoc food teachers, the Hindi teachers, and so on and so forth, we will have one pay structure. Yes, we know that we cannot satisfy everybody, but we have to start somewhere. Then we hope that by 31st December we will able to come up with the new structured grant aid or structured salary as the case may be, which will be implemented by the 1st of April. And this structure, as of now, we didn't touch about the deficit teachers as of now. After that, as of now, afterwards, I cannot say, but first we have to come into the meeting point regarding the restructure or especially regarding the structured grant in aid or structured salary for those SSA and other and ad hoc and food teachers and so on and so forth.